Imagine sitting in a crowded meeting where the speaker rapidly gives instructions in a local dialect, while parents in the audience ask questions in English, Spanish, and Japanese. The room quickly turns into a wall of noise, and the people supposed to be translating simply give up. When the meeting ends, you are left with an automatic transcription document, dozens of pages long. It is a massive block of text mashing 3 or 4 languages together. Finding out exactly who is supposed to do what and when requires digging through that entire transcript line by line. We don't have to sort this manually. Meet Teacher Nico, our expert guide. She is going to help us translate this analog chaos into a streamlined digital workflow. Together, we are going to build a specialized, automated cross-language distribution agent. The goal is to capture that massive, messy transcript and convert it into clear, delegated tasks. Scrolling through pages of mixed language text to manually extract action items drains hours from your week. Building an automated system allows us to handle cross-cultural project management without the typical administrative delay. This chart shows an AI agent's 3-stage architecture. We start with the trigger. By linking cloud storage, a saved meeting transcript initiates the workflow. That action sends the raw text directly into the AI processing node, Gemini. At this point, it is tempting to just type in a loose command, like you might do when asking a consumer chatbot a quick question. Doing so with enterprise data leads to unpredictable, unusable results. An advanced language model requires highly structured instructions to function properly. Before processing that transcript, we must build a strict control framework to guide the AI's behavior. The PTCF framework keeps AI focused. P is persona, assigning a professional bilingual secretary role. T is task, extracting actionable tasks and deadlines. C is context, converting local slang into business terminology. F is format, outputting a strict, bulleted multilingual list. By wrapping our request in this matrix, we turn a generative, open-ended language model into a highly predictable and reliable software component. This chart shows the final distribution phase. The workflow splits our data into 2 simultaneous pathways. It maps our perfectly formatted task list directly into an internal staff chat while preparing an external email draft. Notice the red barrier. We enforce a strict human-in-the-loop protocol, creating a draft rather than sending unreviewed. Retaining the final right of review ensures that a human administrator can double-check the translation. If the AI misinterprets a local joke, you catch it in the draft folder before it causes friction with the international parents. Once approved, the message goes out. Tasks once buried in a messy transcript are now mapped to specific individuals, with every parent and staff member receiving a precise list in their native language. But resolving one bottleneck often reveals another. The very next morning, an overwhelmed executive drops breakfast grease onto his keyboard while panicking over a massive backlog of unread administrative emails, completely missing an urgent official document. Today, we took chaotic audio data and used simple automated triggers, the strict PTCF prompt framework, and multi-channel distribution with human oversight to build a specialized communication agent. If you found this breakdown of automated workflows helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Next time, we will tackle that inbox anxiety by designing a daily morning briefing agent.